Hello everyone, welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Okay, so I wanted to show you what I have done with my flowers, and this is all I have left from the previous video that I had shown you. And the leaves, well, I have more because I actually made a lot more leaves than I did flowers, because remember I said I love those leaves. So let me show you what I have put my flowers on, and here we go. Aren't those just super duper cute? Oh my gosh. So I got these from Dollar General. I went looking for them at the Dollar Tree and I couldn't find any wooden, all wood spoons or forks. And I thought, well, let me try Dollar General. So I went to Dollar General, and this is what I found. Okay, so as you can see, the handles were blue and this one says gather. So I could have sanded that off, but I didn't want the sand marks on the, to come through the paint. So I just left it as it was, and I painted the handles and left the bottom part, just the wood, because I wanted whatever I glued down, I wanted it to adhere to the actual wood so it wouldn't come off at a later date. So the spoon says give thanks. Okay, and I did the same thing. I just taped it off, painted the top part, and then left the front of the spoon as it was. So these are both of them, and here are my flowers. I cut a pumpkin in half, and yes, I even cut the stem in half because each pumpkin needed a stem, so I cut the stem in half as well, and I glued those down. I used the leaves with the glass glitter, and I glued down a few of the little twigs here, and then I made a bow, glued down a couple of leaves, and glued down an acorn. And that's how they turned out. So super duper cute. These are gonna go with my pumpkin that I made a few videos back with you guys, the Mente Chippy pumpkins. So yeah, that's what I made these for. But I also made something else. So I'm gonna set these aside. I have altered a Dollar Tree gift box with the same sunflowers. So right here I did use a leaf, and that one's the one with the stickles, and then I glued down a couple of leaves, and I used some orange Nuvo drops on the front, and I put a row of bling going all the way around the front of the box, and that's all I did to the front. And on the sides I made a bow and another leaf. I glued down another leaf, and I glued down another sunflower, and then this leaf I almost ripped it off because I didn't like that glue that shows through, but it is what it is, so I left it on there. I didn't want to tear the box itself. And that's just what I did on that side, and the other side is the same. And this is seam binding. This one is seam binding that goes from one color to another, and it's been in my stash like forever, so I thought I would go ahead and use it. So as you can tell, this one has the burgundy, and then it goes to green, and then blue, and then this one has the green and the blue, and I didn't see any burgundy in there, but anyway. And then this orangey seam binding is a different strand. So that's what I did on the sides, and that is it. That's what I did to alter this cute little box. That is where my flowers have gone so far. As always, I will leave that discount code in the description box in case you are interested in the Heartfelt Creations rustic sunflower set. Okay guys, Thanks a lot for watching, and we will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.